Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Friendly English Podcast. I'm Ethan, your English learning buddy, coming to you with another fun and friendly episode.
And I'm Sophia. We are so happy you're here with us today. Whether you're listening while cooking, walking, or relaxing with a cup of coffee, thank you for joining us.
Absolutely. This podcast is for English learners all around the world who want to practice listening and learn real English, the kind you can actually use in daily life.
Yes, and today's topic is something super practical, English at the restaurant.
Going to a restaurant is something we all do. But if you are learning English, ordering food can sometimes feel a little scary, right?
Yes, it can. Maybe you forget the right word, or you're not sure what to say to the waiter.
So in today's episode, we'll teach you useful phrases, explain key vocabulary, and even do a short role play to show you how a real restaurant conversation sounds.
And don't worry, we'll keep everything easy and clear, perfect for beginners.
Let's start with some important restaurant vocabulary.
Good idea. Okay, first, menu. The menu is the list of food and drinks you can order.
Right. You can say, "Can I see the menu, please?" That's a polite way to ask.
Next is waiter or waitress. The waiter is the person who brings you your food and takes your order.
Exactly. And remember, if you don't know the gender, or you just want to be safe, you can say server.
Great tip. Okay, another word, order. To order means to ask for food or drinks. For example, I'd like to order a pizza.
And when you finish eating, you can ask for the bill, or in American English, we often say check.
That's right. In British English, they say bill, and in American English, check. Both are fine.
Let's also add tip. A tip is extra money you give to thank the waiter for good service.
Exactly. In the US, people usually tip around 15-20% of the total.
Nice work, listeners. You are already learning the essentials.
Okay, now let's do a short example. Ethan, you be the waiter. I'll be the customer.
All right, let's go. Good evening. Welcome to Sunny Cafe. How many people are in your group?
Just one, please.
Right this way. Here's your menu. Can I get you something to drink?
Yes, a glass of water, please.
Sure. Are you ready to order, or do you need a few minutes?
I'm ready. I'd like a chicken salad, please.
Great choice. Would you like any dressing with that?
Yes, some olive oil, please.
No problem. Anything else?
That's all, thank you.
All right, your order will be ready soon.
Okay, let's explain what just happened.
First, I said, how many people are in your group? That means how many people will sit at your table?
Then, I said, just one, please. You could also say, a table for one. That's a very natural expression.
Yes, and when I asked, can I get you something to drink? That's another polite way to say, what would you like to drink?
Exactly. And I answered, a glass of water, please. Always remember to use please and thank you. It makes you sound polite and friendly.
Then, when I said, are you ready to order? That's what the waiter usually says when they want to know if you are ready to choose your food.
And I said, I'd like a chicken salad. That phrase, I'd like, is super useful. It's short for I would like, and it's more polite than just saying, I want.
Right. So, I want a pizza is okay, but I'd like a pizza, please sounds more natural and polite.
Also, when you hear, would you like, it's a polite question. For example, would you like any dressing, means, do you want dressing?
Exactly. So, two good phrases to remember are, I'd like for your order. Would you like to offer something?
Let's go over some other helpful phrases you can use at a restaurant.
Good idea. Listeners, feel free to repeat after us.
Can I see the menu, please?
I'm ready to order.
Could I have the bill, please?
Everything was delicious.
Can I get this to go? That means you want to take the food home.
Nice. And if something is wrong, you can say, excuse me, I didn't order this, or could you please check this?
Yes, always say excuse me first, it's polite and friendly.
Here are some quick tips for speaking English at a restaurant.
Tip number 1, smile. A friendly smile makes communication easier, even if your English isn't perfect.
Tip number 2. Use simple sentences. You don't need long grammar. Just say, I'd like a coffee, or no sugar, please.
Tip number 3. Listen for keywords. Waiters often ask things like, for here or to go, or would you like anything else?
And finally, don't worry about making mistakes. People understand that English might not be your first language.
Exactly. The most important thing is to try and communicate.
Alright, let's review what we learned today.
We learned important vocabulary like menu, waiter, order, bill, and tip.
We practiced polite expressions like, can I see the menu, please, and I'd like a salad.
And we talked about the difference between bill and check, and how to sound polite by using please and thank you.
Awesome.
Now it's your turn, dear listeners. We'd love to hear from you.
Yes. Tell us about your last restaurant experience in English. What did you order? Did everything go well?
You can write a short comment in English on our website or social media. Practice makes perfect.
And if you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe, leave a review, and share it with a friend who's learning English too.
That's it for today's episode. Thank you so much for listening.
We hope you feel more confident about speaking English in restaurants now.
Remember, learning English is like cooking. You get better with practice.
That's so true. So keep listening, keep learning, and keep smiling.
Until next time.
Stay friendly and keep speaking English. Bye.